Hello, my name's Professor Lamb and I am here on PiPad Mathematics to show an iPad app that I think is very good for helping students understand place value, understand our number system, our base 10 number system, and it's built off the concept of base 10 blocks. And this app is designed by Fred Ventura, PhD, out of Ventura Educational Systems, called Hands-On Math, and this is the base 10 blocks app. Once you get into this base 10 blocks app, you can go to your systems and then you can do sound effects, turn them on, say whole numbers, write numbers, so forth and so on. Then you hit the green arrow when you are ready to start exploring the app. Now this app you can grab a flat, which is 100 of the units. The smallest centimeter cubes are your units, and the longs, which are the little rods that equal 10 of the units, are called longs. Now, what I like about this is it uses the word flats, longs, and units, and this way you can define what is your whole. You could say your flats are your whole, 1. Therefore, this number would be 1.11 or 1 and 1100ths. Or you can make your longs to be your 1, your whole, and if that's the case, then this would represent 11 and 1/10 or 11.1. But as always, we make our unit, or most of the time, we make our units the whole, and therefore our number is 111. Now we have what I like about this app is that the longs, you can exchange a long for 10 units and it shows that. Then we can press our arrow here. Once we have 10 or more units, we press our arrow and it converts it over to a long, so it exchanges over to a long. And same with flats. We can take a flat and move it into the longs column and it converts them into 10 longs, and we can press our green arrow to change 10 longs into a flat. Now, one of the ideas or the concepts that we try to study or we try to learn about in our base 10 blocks is this idea of exchanges or regrouping, decomposing a 10. So we decompose this 10 to become 10 units, and we compose 10 units to become 1 long. And this concept is something that Liping Ma talks about in her book, about how in China the words that they use for borrow and carry are compose a 10, which is our carrying concept, pressing the green arrow in this app, and our decomposing 10, which is taking a larger base 10 blocks and decomposing it for the smaller base 10 blocks. So this is a proportional model. It helps model place value, to where we have a place value, and in this case we'll call it 100. This is the flat. This place value, which is our tens, which is used by our longs, and then this place value are ones or units. And as I said, this could be hundredths, this could be tenths, this could be 1, and so forth and so on. Alright, so here ends this quick first introduction video to an app called Base 10 Blocks, or Hands-On Math Base 10 Blocks by Fred Ventura. And again, this is Professor Lamb with PiPad Mathematics.